Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Police Services Mechanical Engineering paper 2 of year 2009. Question number 7b is a 15 stage 50% reaction turbine involves a diagram power of 10 megawatt. The inlet condition of steam is at 15 bar 30 degrees Celsius. While the condenser pressure is 0.14 bar, the stage efficiency is 75% for each stage and re-pressure is 1.04. At a certain stage, steam in at 1 bar, dry separation. The exit angle of the blade is 20 degree. The blade velocity ratio is 0.7. The blade height may be taken as 1 by 12 of mean blade diameter. Work out the following. 1. The flow rate of steam required assuming that all the stages work equal work. 2. The mean blade diameter. 3. The speed of the rotor force catch the system and velocity diagram and show the precision HS diagram. Given that enthalpy, the answer that enthalpy drop from boiler chart is equal to 851 kilojoule per kg. At 1 bar, specific volume is 1.694 meter cube per kg. So here, first of all, stage efficiency is given and V factor is given. So stage efficiency is 75%. We have to pay 1.0. So internal efficiency comes out as 0.78. Okay. So from modular diagram, the isentropic enthalpy drop is 855 kilojoules per kg, and as internal efficiency is 0.78, so actual enthalpy drop is 0.78 to 858, that is 667 kilojoules per kg. As total power volt is 100 megawatt, so that is equal to mass flow rate of steam into enthalpy drop per kg. So from this mass flow rate of steam comes out as 14.99 kilogram per second. Okay. So now the work done in one stage of steam is given by summation of bulk component into blade velocity. So bulk component BW1 is V1 cos alpha from the velocity diagram. These are the velocity diagram. So this is your VW1. This is V1 cos alpha, and VW2 is VR2 cos beta 2 minus VB. Okay. So VR2 cos beta 2 minus VB. So VR2 in case of 50% reaction turbine is equal to V1, and beta 2 is equal to nodal angle, that is alpha. Okay, so now we have equation as 2V1 cos alpha minus VB into VB. So now the ratio of blade velocity to inlet velocity is given, that is 0.7. Alpha is given 20 degrees. So now we can convert whole the equation in terms of VB. So this V1 can be written as VB by 0.7. Okay. So work done comes out as 1.6848 VB square joule per kg. Okay. So now this is the HS diagram, as there are 15 stages, so it is hard to make these all the 15 stages. So we have made some of the stages. Of course, this is stage 1, 1 to 2s. Okay. And total work done per kg is 667, and there are 15 stages, so work done in each stage is 44.46 kilojoule per kg. So, and we have calculated this as work done is one stage. So equating this is in kilojoule, so converting into joule, so we can find out VB. So VB comes out as blade velocity comes out as 162.458 meter per second. Okay. And we know that volume flow rate 5 dm hd into vf1. hb is blade height, dm is blade diameter. As blade height is 1 by 12 of mean diameter, so it is dm by 2. And vf1 from the velocity diagram is v1 sin alpha, and v1 is vb by 0.7. So vb we have calculated. Okay. Now we have equation in terms of dm. So that comes out as 20.78 dm square per meter cube per second. and in that pressure is given as 1 bar, specific volume is given as 1.96 sorry 1.694 meter cube per kg. So this volume flow rate is for this is volume flow, so mass flow rate is 20.78 dm square by 1.694, and we have calculated mass flow rate, that is 14.99 here. Okay. So equating these two, we can calculate dm, mean diameter. So that comes as 1.1054 meter. And after calculating this dm, we can calculate rpm also by putting vb is equal to pi dm into n by 60. So from this n comes out as 2808 rpm. So this is the second part. This is the HS diagram. This is inlet load diagram. This is outer load diagram. These are the calculations. And this is pi. First page, and this is the